used to play. Because I said he was singing around. And he used to play. He used to do them all the time.
Why you take video? I just got my nails done from Susie. What do you think? I think I like it. I think they're pretty. Hey. You know what? I can adjust myself to any situation. Whatever it is, I'll just adapt. Because guess what? The saying say it is what it is. So now I'm getting it is what it is. Let it be it. Hey. Hi guys. Wagwan. This is your girl Janelle. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment. You know what? Subscribe. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello again. Welcome back to my channel. Remember, please like, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Oh my god, my week was so busy. I worked Monday to Thursday, and I promised myself I'll never work a Friday because I need the Friday for myself. And that's my day. Today's Friday. I went swimming, but the water was so cold. Oh my god, freezing cold. I dip my toes and I'm like, no, not for this girl. I met this woman there, and because the water was so cold, she had a cramp. They nearly had to call for the ambulance. So I'm like, this one is not for me. Then I just booked then I went to the steam room, and because it was like a women's session, it was about like 22 people in that tiny room. I stayed a minute and then I said, let me cancel this for today until Sunday. Then I just booked an appointment for the nails. Look, fresh nails. Thanks to my girl Susie. I showed her this oh god, what I'm saying. I showed her the design and then she did it. So now I'm getting ready to go to a party. Well, this invitation said nibbles and drinks. Just bring yourself. That's fine. But when you go to these parties, these were my old work friends. Nibbles and drinks. Let me ask you a question. When you go to a party, do you expect food or nibbles? You know, everybody like a little drink, but I expect is a chicken. But I know that's not this party. No chicken there, love. No curry goat. No white rice. Just nibbles. A little bit of sausage. and all those little things. Then I need to get ready because these people, when they say 5, the party start 5. It's not our time. You say 5 and you reach 8 and the party not started. When they say 5, mean 5. So I'm gonna get ready because my friend is coming to pick me up to take me to the party. And then tomorrow now I'm going to work early, and then after work come home, rest for a little bit, and then I have a games night party. So that's all my weekend is. So busy. Lucky I don't work on a Sunday. Sunday is for the Lord. So I'm just gonna get ready. I'm getting ready before time because I know these people, they're gonna be calling me, and you know what? I be on some black people thing, running up late. So I'll see you in a minute. I don't think I can even vlog at this party, but I'll bring my camera and I'll try my luck. I know it might not work out. See you in a minute. You know what? I can adjust myself to anything. If there's food, there's food. If there's nibbles, there's nibbles. I'll just adjust myself. And I speak proper English. I'm very, you know what? Adjustable. This is my outfit of the day. T-shirt from Rita Ora, jacket, my Moschino bag, jeans from H&M, and my Nike. Hi guys, just got back from the party. It was amazing. Oh god, but I'm so tired. Look, even my lashes are coming off. Ah, it was amazing. It was nice catching up with the guys. All I've got to do is now take off this makeup, shower, get ready for bed, and after work tomorrow, bright and oh my god, why I can't open this thing? Bright and early tomorrow. It's another work day. You got to work. Na. Rihanna say, work. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be greater. This is my outfit. Outfit for the night.
Oh my god, I'm doing barcades.
Get one go shopping. Now we're trying to go shopping, you know.
How many inches is your TV? You're gonna try and fix the whole wall or something?
Yeah, almost.
This is just down the road.
Exactly.
We are not calling the ambulance for you to come down here. You are going to walk down yourself. There's a lot of water in the tap. So you can fill your belly and feel good. But be careful with your drinking, okay? My eyes is still to see already. Oh yeah. Captain, take the plane.
Yay! So the first game we're gonna get back in there.
Oh yeah. I was gonna say.
Let me go charge my phone.
So has everybody got a drink? Number one. Yeah. You all need a drink. You got a drink. Oh. So Mawan, see your hair now. Saying exactly. She look at her trying to escape before the time.
I'm sorry, if I'm in it and you got to rent it, pretend there's space for one more person.
Is it? Who wants to sit down?
No one.
You guys should look like you're getting a close, baby. Figure spine there. Hey, Millie!
behind the door.
Don't fill up your glass of calm with your tea. Outside already.
Listen, you have to sit down.
Business out here, yeah.
I'm being security.
Excuse me, there's only one security up in here. There's only one security. Let me put my hat on because I don't want to do that. Only one security up in here.
What's the next one?
Fantasize about an ex during sex. Say that again. Fantasize about an ex during sex.
No, he's an ex for a purpose.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Make me swim, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me